Welcome back to another Laugh You Lose video, everybody. Today, we're watching memes that I found. Every single video you're about to watch, I have at least laughed at or deviously smiled at. If you laugh, you lose, because I've already laughed at these or deviously grinned at them, so... I know arachnophobia is fear of spiders. I'm sure there's a proper name for praying mantisophobia, but I'm just gonna call it beadieophobia. Anyways, Nana doesn't love praying mantises. So sorry about this, Nana. Like, you can't even pray in this moment. You can't even... It's a praying mantis. You can't pray against it because it'll just mantis you. You know, it's like a little bit of a lose-lose situation. It's funny because his nose is sideways, and it's a cow. If you didn't laugh and you don't understand why this is funny, it's funny because this cow's face is disfigured, which is actually really unfortunate, and now I feel bad for it. That hadn't hit until just now. Before, now I feel really bad. This is like the Mike Tyson of cows. That's not funny. Okay, anyways. Oh my God. It's funny because he fell. I would have laughed a little less if, like, maybe one item remained on his tray. Like, he looked like, have you ever seen a chicken? Have you ever seen somebody take a chicken and shake it? Don't shake chickens, for the record. Its head is gyroscopic. Okay, so if you shake a chicken around, its head is gonna stay in the same exact spot. This guy does that with the tray, and every single item falls off.
Mom, I'm getting arrested. I'm sorry. What? Sorry. I'm getting arrested, Mom. Why? I'm sorry.
Dude, you gotta stop that.
I'm sorry.
Bro, First Amendment, right to free cheeks. Let him flat, brother. That's your First Amendment right.
Mom, I'm getting arrested. I'm sorry. What? Sorry. Why? I'm sorry.
Dude, you gotta stop that.
I'm sorry.
He's so nervous. I've never been so nervous. I've never been so nervous that I've lost sphincter control. So that's.
Mom, I'm getting arrested.
Oh my gosh! If you haven't laughed yet, what is wrong? This is stopped. He's so scared. He's so nervous.
I'm sorry. What? Sorry. I'm getting arrested, Mom. Why? I'm sorry.
Dude, you gotta stop that.
I'm sorry.
I have IBS, and there's nothing more funny to me. There's nothing less funny to me than making fun of somebody with butt problems. Hey there, my name's Jacob, I have IBS, and there's nothing quite as not funny to me as the uncontrollable decompression of the inner intestines. I do not condone this video. Or this message. There's nothing more funny than the thought of this being a genuine video. Like, I really hope this is so real and bro is just so stressed out that he's farting out his butt. I don't think I've ever shown you guys the memes I've laughed at ever again. This is so, I feel so insecure right now. Okay, anyways.
Arrested. I'm sorry. What? Sorry.
I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know. If you've made it this far and you haven't laughed yet. If you've made it this far and you haven't laughed yet, genuinely leave. Genuinely go. Leave. Because it's probably only going to get worse from here. Most people are like, wait till the end of the video to watch the most funny meme you've ever seen. I'm going to tell you right now, if you have not even smirked this far into the video, please.
I'm the watermelon winner, chocolate moon pie man, moon pie man, moon pie man.
This one's funny because of the random assortment of objects this man has plastered upon his face. Don't laugh. Don't laugh. I once sniffed ammonia salts and suffered from short-term long term. And that's not okay. So please do not recreate this at home. Viewer discretion is advised. Who does this guy look like? Wait a second. This guy looks like someone. Garrett, I don't know if we're on the same wavelength. I do feel like there's an iconic movie character who looks like this, a little bit more ratty in the eyes, a little bit more of the under eye bags going on. Can you please put a picture of him up on the screen right here? Is this I've seen this one in and of itself, and the pose this lady strikes at the end. Wait. Sorry. I'll try my own shoe. I don't know how close this is to smelling salts, but we'll give it a little whiff. And then Garrett, edit the shot where that is a little fresh. Yeah, my shoe's kind of stinky. Trying to put it back on, but the heel is... You know when you try to put your shoe on, you just try to slide it on, and the heel just kind of... The heel just... You just can't make this up, dude. Jakerton viewers, when Jakerton finally uploads.
I got me a mug.
Four piece! Minimum 20. Minimum 20. Put 10 in the fridge, 10 in the air fryer later on. Brand new. Okay? Oh, shoe. It still smells like Been there. Been there. We've all been there. When I see if they will take my food if I walk away. That is self-control at its finest. Honestly beautiful. They also have a prime example for them set up as to why they don't mess with this family. They don't want to end up like old Bambi over here. So they are really, there's some stakes. There's some hidden stakes here that are not immediately forthcoming and visual. Homie was trying to be a beautiful swan and he turned into a little goose. God creates a wormhole. Hello, little buddy worm. Thanks for the worm. Welcome, haha. God creates... Oh, sorry. You guys can't see this. It's cropped. It says, God creates a worm. Hello, little buddy worm. Thanks for the worm welcome. Haha. God creates birds.
You look nervous.
This is funny. Oh, really? It's because this guy's not, he's not wearing clothes. If I wasn't wearing even my skin, I would be very nervous. POV, you're about to potentially win a Nintendo Switch, but the close other has other... Dude, I wish I was joking. I actually wish I was joking. It's like my jaw is disconnecting from my body. Residue of eggs, something I ate earlier. Anyways, POV, you're about to potentially win a Nintendo Switch, but the POV, you're about to potentially win a Nintendo Switch, but the closet has other plans. There we go.
Could win a Nintendo Switch.
It's funny because the closet door falls and bonks him on the head.
You enjoying the sun this morning?
Whoa. Sorry, one sec. I don't know what just happened. I teleported. I keep teleporting. every morning, by the way. IBS King Awareness Month. It's now! Right now! Right now! I don't care where the clock is, it's now or we're pooping in our pants or the bed, depending on the situation. And that is happened, unfortunately. I don't like that one. Minoi.
Yup.
That's the only correct response. I'm gonna do the same. What's wrong with me is I'm gonna find a way to try this right now. I think I have a copper ball somewhere. Don't ask why. I'm gonna go look. I'll be right back. Okay, I found a baseball that I got signed by all the Mariners at spring training back in, I believe, 2003. And I have a golf ball. Let me watch this again. Wait a second. Wait, I have free will. I don't need to do this. I'm doing this to myself. I'm going to exercise my free will and set both of these down and forget that I ever even considered for a split second that this was a possibility. And we're going to move on. POV, my husband cut his beard to grow it back fuller. Our daughter's reaction.
Dad! Where's my dad?
First of all, be grateful dad came home with the milk. Second of all, if I'm ever so blessed one day to bring life forth into this world, and they say, "Where's my dad?" while looking at me, put yourself in homeboy's shoes. Where's my dad? Looking father in the eyes. Where's my dad? If that doesn't pull on your heartstrings, where's my dad? Garrett's him. Garrett's my daddy. Sorry. He's not my dad. I trusted that one. Don't put that in. Garrett, edit that out. Don't even think about animating it. This is not official Garrett the Carrot merch, by the way. You can get some at garrettthecarrot.com. I just bought my own. Garrett, please dox me right now. Show my shipping address and everything just to prove to them that I actually, with my own monies, bought your merch because it's sick. Thank you for editing this video for free, by the way.
Hey. You making daddy feel bad. You crying.
He hit him with the face palm, dude. That might be his first face palm caught on video. Homie had to lament. Robots are not sneaky. Help wash the truck. Go to Disney World.
What is that?
Oops, I accidentally dropped your medication.
Oh, no.
5 head. So smart. Okay, beans, dude, beans. I have to praise him to eat because otherwise he's just. I have to be like, good boy, when he's eating his food. Good boy. Like, nobody does that for me. But yeah, dude, our poor little bean. He's just like such a beta, dude. He is such a freaking beta. If you have arachnophobia, is my hair stressing you out? It looks like spiders. I just want to look dapper and handsome for the bean videos. I just am never enough. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense scientifically. Something is wrong with your dog. Get that thing checked out.
No.
That's teamwork. I'm not rolling on the floor laughing, but that's pretty funny. Okay.
After we play basketball, we should get ice cream. I need to ask my mom, but first I gotta get the ball from my older brother's room. Wait, you have an older brother? Yeah, he's so cool.
Dude, that is a situation I ran into one time that I can like clearly, vividly remember. It was a friend of mine and it was like his older cousin. We were going snowboarding with him and we walk in There's like beer cans. Homie's like 18, by the way, and I'm like 15 at the time. He's like, yeah, dude, come into my room. It's the basement. There's a bench press in the middle of this dude's bedroom. He was like, yo, you guys want to check out my Yukon? He's got a Yukon that's like clapped out with 22 subwoofers. He drives us down the road allegedly 100 miles an hour, and I'm sitting there in the passenger seat like, this is this is not good. This is not safe, and I'm freaking out. And Prometheus is over here putting pedal to the metal, and we're gonna die before we even get to go snowboarding. We get back after this. I'm shook and rattled to my core. Lo and behold, he starts like palming and like cupping my friend and like the back of his neck, and he just starts like pulling him in like, yeah. He's got his older friend there, like, yeah. Homie's got my friend in a rear naked chokehold. He's like, yeah, isn't it fun? Isn't this fun? And I'm just like, it might as well have been Normandy. Let me rephrase that. This was my D-Day. And as soon as he's like lifeless, limp in his arms, my friend's cousin just, he snaps, looks at me, and I'm like, it's go time. I already know. He goes for this little hook thing, and I'm like, I've got one thing on my I've got one thing on my side. Squirm it out. So I just start squirming. I'm squirming like there's no tomorrow, and I somehow grab this guy's leg, pull him down, and he's like, I just get him, I just squirm until I'm holding him in a way that he can't undo. And lo and behold, I get this guy in some sort of leg lock. I'm not sure. This is before I started my animal self-defense taekwondo classes, because this guy was a freaking baboon of a man. Let me tell you what. After I like pinned him and he tapped out, he just like daps me up, and my friend's just like, you took down the big dog? And ever since then, dude, call me Mr. Squirmy. Even just like reliving this moment right now is cathartic for me. Cathartic, lethargic, pathetic, of course. Why was I saying? Oh yeah, Prometheus, dude. Just immediately. Y'all were laughing at me. I'm not out of breath. You're out of breath. You're out of breath. You need more cardiovascular activity in your life. It's not me that's out of breath, it's you. And you need to stop laughing at me for hosting my animal self-defense taekwondo classes. Clearly, it is becoming an issue. It's been an issue that I've known about. I predicted this long before anyone ever saw this coming. I knew it was happening. Cats all over the world. The only way to kill them, you can learn from me. Anyways. If you're kind of all of a sudden thinking to yourself, wait a minute, I might need some training like this in my life, don't worry, we got you covered. We do have a promo going on for the month of January 2026, so if you're watching this after January 2026, the deal's already out. First class is only $899,000 for the first half-hour session, so make sure to claim that now because that is more than 50% off, so while supplies last. I tried to warn you. I tried to prepare you. I literally tried. I tried to tell you this was gonna happen. And now you're defenseless. Now you don't know what to do. I think that's the last of the AI, that's the last of the very real animal self-defense related videos. One more, sorry. Look at the form on these guys. And they're both only white belts. This is, imagine going up against a black belt. These guys are both white belts. Between you and me, a little princess once told me, don't fight the frog, kiss it. I've been away from the camera for a while. Next one, how to fart nonchalant. Does one need to explain the comical genius behind that of flatulence, especially one of such high decibel manufacturing? Do you know what I'm saying? You know how everybody has like their staple stories? Like they just got like, whenever you're at like a party, you kind of like, bro, tell the story, tell that one story about the thing. My buddy has a story about how he was in science class and it was the middle of an exam. He had to fart so bad. And so he literally threw his book on the ground trying to like cover up a fart. The book goes bang. Everybody looks at him and he just goes everywhere. This made me think of him. Anyways, I'm kind of feeling right now what maybe you guys feel when you send in memes and you're like waiting for me to react to it because you're like, wait, do you get why it's funny though? I'm spitting everywhere. I haven't filmed in so long that my mouth is compensating. Garrett, I don't know if you're gonna be able to edit out all the times I'm spitting. Okay.
Saturday and then Sunday and then come home Sunday night.
Yeah, I used to mix potions and I found this really strange crystal in my backyard. So here lately I've been doing seances.
If you've never been on a chairlift, this is case and point accurate to the kind of conversations you end up having on a chairlift. So if you don't find this funny, it's probably because you've literally never touched snow. All right, wife, did you remember to get the dog neutered and or take our son to singing lessons? This might not be like laugh out loud funny, but for me, this is hilarious. Because the same thing happened to me when I was a kid. No, because I showed this to my wife and she was like, the dog's singing. And I was like, dogs don't sing. How Roman people used to count while doing push-ups. Come on, that's funny. Let it out. Laugh a little bit. Let go. You're holding on to way too much. When was the last time somebody told you, hey man, lighten up, buttercup, or whatever the saying is? This is funny. Let it go. Hey. Shh. It's okay. Come on. Carrot, please don't put any of this in. I don't know what I'm doing, Carrot.
The Matilda effect is when women do the work but men take the credit. For example, Dr. Rosalind Franklin, she took the first image of DNA.
I forgot about saving this one. Garrett, I just had a funny little video idea, so I'm gonna try that. The Matilda effect is when women do the work but men take the credit. Okay.
I really wish I had a shopping cart right now. Oh, there's none around. Oh, there we go. God, I really wish I had a...
That one speaks for itself. I want to try this. That was me screaming as loud as I possibly could, by the way. Didn't you guys miss me? This is what you've been missing out on. Don't put that in, Garrett. Something's happening in my body. Oh, I shouldn't push that one. Anyways, those are the funniest videos from 2026. Thank you for watching. If you think you have funnier videos than these, send them to the Discord, discord.gg/Jakerton. We'll watch them in the next one. Okay, bye-bye.